Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about the students who are looking to grab technical skills this summer vacation. This will be a series of lessons on learning and getting certified online from recognized platform, and that too for free. If you have not got into internship or even have one, watch this full series of video tutorial to acquire the relevant skills to boost your skill set. I am Aman Ranjan Verma. So with this introduction, let's get started. In this first series of the tutorial, I will talk about the learning platform Udemy. We will see different ways to access courses on Udemy for free. There are 3 ways to do so: 1 through Udemy website, 2 through another website, 3 through Facebook. That's all for today. In the next tutorial of the series we will look into the ways to get courses on other learning platform. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Your likes motivate the creators to keep sharing their knowledge. Please, comment down the pros and cons of this video, as your dislike can't improve the video but your comment can for sure. You can suggest the topic of my next video, as in this case comment down about what learning platform you would like to watch next. If you like the concept of the channel, please, subscribe the channel. If you have already subscribed the channel, please, press the bell icon, to get the latest updates of my videos. If you found this video helpful, please share the video on your Facebook timeline and on WhatsApp among friends, brothers, sisters, and cousins.